this is Bonnie. Welcome to my channel, Bonnie's One Step Ahead. We are all sitting in lockdown, and during this lockdown, we can't go outside. We are having more food, and as a result, we must be gaining some weights. This lockdown is for precaution of coronavirus, and for coronavirus, we all know that boosting up our immunity is very important, and we need to keep our lungs very fit and we are able to fight with any disease. So today I'll be showing you a very easy but a very strong immunity boosting weight loss drink. This is known as turmeric tea or turmeric milk. So come, let's see. So why turmeric tea? Turmeric, we all actually Indians, especially Indians, we are all used to turmeric. We use turmeric in our everyday cooking. But why turmeric? What is the benefits of turmeric? And turmeric can be used in two forms. One in the raw root form, which currently I don't have with me, and another is organic powdered turmeric. And turmeric is very important for our health. This is because it is a very high antioxidant and it's cancer preventive, it's anti-inflammatory. Like if we consume turmeric, we will not get the inflammations, the pains, they'll be lessened in our body. Turmeric protects our liver, it heals the wounds from inside, and it's very much good for our skin also. It keeps our skin healthy. It's excellent for digestion. It reduces constipation and it promotes weight loss, which is very important. And it's a natural painkiller. And also it reduces depression level and lifts up our mood, which is nowadays very important for all of us. We are all locked down, and every time we open our TV, open our mobiles, we see only the news of deaths, the sad news. So it actually brings down our mood. We get depressed, and the property of turmeric will just boost up our mood. It is antidepressant, and turmeric promotes a very good sleep. So today we will learn about turmeric tea or turmeric milk. Now, how to consume this? If it is turmeric tea, if you are allergic to or if you don't like the taste of milk, you can have it as turmeric tea. Otherwise, you can go for turmeric milk, and you can have it 2 times daily. One in empty stomach for weight loss, as well as for boosting immunity, for digestion, for constipation problem. So if you consume it in the morning in empty stomach, you will add lemon to it. Remember, you can add lemon when you are having it in empty stomach in the morning. But if you prefer to have it just before going to sleep, that is 1 hour after your dinner, you must have this. So at that time, you can have turmeric milk, and this promotes a very sound sleep, and it's very actually healthy. And if you don't prefer milk, you can have turmeric tea also, but without the lemon. So without the lemon, if you have it in the night, and with lemon if you have it in the morning. And if you have, at least for weight loss, I'm saying you must try to have it before going to sleep and without adding milk. And if you want to add milk, if it's skimmed milk or if it's like almond milk or soya milk, then it's better. So come now, let's look into the ingredients. The ingredients required for these are the main ingredient, that is turmeric. I don't have the turmeric root. If you have turmeric root, you can slice them or grate them and use it. But I'm using, this is organic turmeric powder. The second ingredient is cinnamon powder. I have this is the cinnamon stick, and I have just powdered it. Cinnamon is very important and it's very healthy. Actually, cinnamon helps to combat cold and cough, and it keeps the body warm. Another ingredient is pepper powder. See, this is the whole pepper. I have grounded it. This is the freshly grounded pepper powder. You can also use it from market. And this is grated ginger. Ginger is very important. Ginger is very high antioxidant, and it is very advisable to have during this COVID period. So you need to have ginger, try to include ginger in everyday food. This is basil leaves, and we Indians call this as tulsi. But here in England, we don't get the Indian tulsis. Instead, we get basil leaves. These are a bit big in size, and see, you can get it like this, basil. It's readily available in all supermarkets and you can buy them. And of course, another main ingredient is honey. And for diabetic patients, it's okay if you don't use honey, but for non-diabetic, it's advisable to use honey. Actually, turmeric has a typical smell, and many of us actually may not like that smell of it. So for that, you can use rock salt. See, I have taken a pinch of rock salt. And I will also use 2 cloves. And here is 2 cloves. These ingredients will all help to keep our body strong for inside, especially lungs. And in order to stay fit and increase the immunity, including all these things is a must for every day. And why not include this every day so that we can boost our immunity as well as get some weight loss. So now let's prepare it. I'll show you the whole process. So I'll take some extra water because I'll allow this whole thing to boil for some time. So a bit of extra water is required. Meanwhile, the water is boiling. I'll discuss about the total health benefits of this turmeric tea or turmeric milk. Turmeric milk or turmeric tea helps boost the immune system, and it helps to drainage the sinus. If you have sinus pain, if you continuously consume this turmeric milk or turmeric water, what will happen? The sinus, the cups will become loose and they will automatically drain out. And sometimes we have terrible headache for sinus as well as for stress. Turmeric, ginger and all the things which are being added here, tulsi or the basil leaves which I have added here, these acts as a very much de-stressing element. So if you have this, you will feel fresh from inside and your stress level will come down, and it improves digestion a lot, and which is very much important because now in this lockdown period we are not able to go out, we are not able to walk. What we are doing, we are continuously in a home, eating, sleeping, sitting, and so we can't walk or can't run outside. Many a times it happens that we feel that we are having indigestion, we are feeling our stomach is bloated up, we are feeling that we are having some heaviness. But this turmeric tea or turmeric water will help to reduce all these things, and it promotes an excellent sleep at night. And for people suffering from constipation, this is a must. You must take this every day, at least once in a day, if not 2 times, at least once in a day. The water has started to boil, and now I'll add the ingredients one by one. So first goes in the turmeric. Then I'll add the cloves, the cinnamon powder, I'll not add the full pepper powder, a bit of pepper powder because ginger is also there. Ginger. Now goes the basil leaves. And since I'm going to have this just before going to sleep and I prefer not to add milk in it, I'll add a little bit of this rock salt. And now I'll make this in steam and I'll let this boil for 10 minutes. Another thing is that if you make this turmeric water or turmeric tea, if you can make it in good quantity, you can easily store it in fridge for 2 to 3 days. And in that case, you don't add the honey, so you can make it, keep it in the fridge, take out, and when you want to reboil it, just keep it in steam. You can add lemon to it as per your taste, or you can add milk. Now let's see what are we up to. 10 minutes have crossed. See, the color has changed and a lovely Ayurvedic herbal smell is coming out. Aroma is coming and it's really amazing. The smell itself is making me fresh and refreshing. So now what I'll do, I'll just turn it off. So now I'll strain this, but I prefer not to strain it. Actually, I will just loosely I'll pour it into the glass, and I prefer to have these bits of this ginger as well as basil leaves, and I prefer to chew and have them to get the full benefit of these things. I prefer to add the basil leaves into it. The basil leaf has a very typical refreshing smell and it adds a extra flavor to it. And to this now I'll be adding honey. As I have said, for diabetic patients you don't add honey. And this is hot. You need to have this after 1 hour of your dinner. And if you prefer to add milk to it, just add milk to this liquid now. Otherwise, if you don't prefer to have milk, just sip this warm as a tea. And you believe me, you will see the health benefits, the immense health benefits this has. If you want to have it in the morning, in the empty stomach, add a dash of lemon. So, my turmeric tea or turmeric water or herbal drink, weight loss drink, whatever you can say, is ready. And my dinner is done and I'm going to sip it now. It's so refreshing. A combined flavor of everything. The rock salt adds an extra flavor. Pepper powder, this basil leaves. Believe me, this taste is nice. It's not bad at all. So make this a habit to drink it every day for weight loss, for boosting up immunity and to fight coronavirus. Friends, remember that only drinking this and not maintaining other COVID precautions will not help you. So, have this every day, stay indoors, wash your hands regularly, maintain hygiene, and let's all fight for a coronavirus-free world. So, take care and please do not forget to write to me in the comments that have you started this, and if you are already taking this, how are you taking this and what are the benefits you are having, and please can I get some extra likes for this video? A thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel. Take care. Let me enjoy my drink. Bye.